Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be creating this pretty pink makeup look. It looks so cute and at the same time it's very wearable, and all the products that I used are very affordable. They're all priced under rupees 300 and you can purchase them from Amazon's sale. So I got them all from Amazon Prime Day sale, which was on the 23rd and the 24th of July, and all the prices, all the discounts were amazing. The products are still available on really good discounts, and all the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below in case if you want to check them out. So if you want to know how I created this pretty pink makeup look using products under rupees 300, then please keep on watching. For my base makeup, I'm going to start with using a concealer. This is Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer. This comes with a brush tip applicator which is very easy to use. I'm applying the concealer under my eyes, on my cheeks, on all the high points of my face, that is my nose, my forehead and my chin, and also on my eyelids. The concealer is super creamy and very easy to blend, but the only con of this concealer is that it settles down on the skin too fast. So you need to be very quick in blending it, and after you're done blending it, you need to set it in place very quickly using a powder. So I'm using this Lakme 95 SPF 40 PA++ Ultra Matte Compact Powder. I'm gonna complete the rest of my face makeup before I begin with my eye makeup, and for my blush I'm gonna be using this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. I just like to slap it on my face. That's the easiest way to blend it. And then just wipe it very gently. This is the easiest way to blend a cheek tint with your fingers, and it gives you such a natural flush from within kind of look. And whatever's left on my fingers, I'm just going to apply it on my nose a little bit, and a little bit on my chin, and some on my forehead, just to balance it all out. Now I'm going to use the same lip and cheek tint on my eyelid, but I'm just going to use very little of it, like just a drop. And blend it using my finger. This tint has a slightly dewy finish, so what I'm going to do is go in with the compact powder and just set it a little bit so that it doesn't crease or move. Next up, for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Inside Cosmetics Pro Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be picking up that pink color and applying it all over my eyelid. And as you can see, with just one swipe, it gives you such a high color payoff. Like, the pigmentation is bomb, the shimmer looks so beautiful. So next up, I'm using the same lip and cheek tint, and on a tiny brush I'm just picking up a little bit of color, applying it at the back of my hand, like removing the excess, and then just going in on my lower lid to balance it out. For my eyeliner as well as for my eyebrows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 Eyebrow Plus Gel Eyeliner combo. On the top it's got this eyebrow powder, and once I open this, it's got the gel eyeliner. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows first using the eyebrow powder. Instead of going in with a proper winged eyeliner, I've just created a slight flick at the end, and I think it looks really cute and fresh. Finishing off the eye makeup with the Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara. For highlighter, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow Liquid Highlighter. And I'm just taking like a drop on my hand. Dotting it in all the areas that I want to highlight. I'm just blending it with my fingers, and as you can see, the glow is insane. Now with a pencil brush, I'm using the same highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. And finally, to finish off the makeup look, I'm using this Renee liquid lipstick in the shade Castle of Nude. It's a very beautiful My Lips But Better color, and I just love how it looks when paired with all eye makeup looks. So that's the final look. I love how pretty and pink it has turned out, and still it's so wearable. In case if you end up trying out this makeup look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. And also, if you try out any of the products that I use in today's video, then also let me know your feedback in the comments below. All the products are available on Amazon on amazing discounts, and all the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below in case if you want to check any of the products out. So that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.